Are you interested in screen recording lessons to show your students? Whether this is for a flipped classroom or if your school has closed and you need to get information to your students, a video recording of your screen can be very beneficial. It is easy to record your screen and share it with students. There are many options online or through software program for screen recording. My favorites include TechSmith's Jing, Snagit, and Camtasia, which I'm actually recording this video using Camtasia. Today in this video, I want to demonstrate some tools that are built into the Mac operating system to help you take screenshots or record your screen to share with your students or others. The first thing is, if you want to take a screenshot of your entire screen, it's simple. All you have to do is press Command Shift 3 and your computer will take a screenshot and save the file to the desktop. If you only want to take a screenshot of a portion of your screen, you can press Command Shift 4 and you get these crosshairs. These crosshairs will then allow you to click and drag a portion of your screen, which will then also save to your desktop. And you can see here are the two screenshots that I have taken. I can select on them and I can press the space bar to preview them, and I can see that indeed both of these did take a screenshot. And so that is a simple way to take a screenshot. If you have a newer operating system of the Mac OS, which I don't, you can press Command Shift 5 and it will bring up more options to edit your screenshots. Now let's say the screenshot is not enough. You need to have a screen recording of your actual screen, a video of it. Maybe you want to demonstrate how to access the work that you've assigned, or you've created something like a Khan Academy account and you want your students to know where to go once you've created it for them. You can do that by simply screen recording what is on your screen. To do that, we're going to open up QuickTime. To open up QuickTime, you can either press Command Spacebar or click on the magnifying glass up here, which brings up the Spotlight search. And again, you can press Command Spacebar, it will do the same thing. And then inside of your Spotlight search, you're going to type in Quick or QuickTime Player. Basically, if you type in Quick, it's usually going to pop up. You can open this up. It doesn't look like anything has opened, but if you look in the upper left-hand corner, it has switched to the QuickTime Player. With the QuickTime Player, you can go up to File, and you can choose a new screen recording. Movie recording will take the camera that you have, but we're not going to do that one right now. We're just going to do a screen recording. So I can go ahead and choose screen recording, and when I am talking, you'll notice there's some lines moving here. This is showing that there's some audio. If you do not have audio, you can click on this down triangle and you can choose which microphone you're using. If you don't want audio, you can make sure it's selected to none. You can also choose to show mouse clicks inside of the recording. You can bring the volume up, but I don't want to bring the volume up now because it will cause a feedback loop, so I keep my volume down. Now once I have my audio set, I simply click on the red circle. It's not recording yet, but it's telling me that when I click record, when I just click, it's going to record the full screen. Or if I want to drag, only a part of the screen will be recorded. So I'm going to go ahead and click and drag. Notice how it kind of gives me this highlighted area, and I can just move this where I want it to be. And let's say I want to record just this portion of the screen up here. So now it says start recording, and I click on that button and it's going to start recording. And when it's recording, you'll see there's a circle with a square up here at the top. When you are done recording, you simply move your mouse to this circle with the black square in it. I'm going to go ahead and click just without dragging, which will then record the entire screen. And it says end recording by clicking the stop button in the menu bar. The stop button would be right up here. So I can go ahead and I just click anywhere on my screen. And now it's going to start recording, and you will notice this turns black, this icon, and I can go through and I can record and I can demonstrate how to do something. Whether it's how to find something online or how to show students how to do certain steps, you could do it very easily by sharing your screen, and then you just simply click on the stop. And here we have our video. It's an untitled video. We can play through it, and you will notice, and we can hear the video, we can see what's going on in the video, but what we're going to do is we're just going to save the video. Because right now the video is just stored here, we need to save it. So if we go up to File, we can either choose Save, or you can choose Export if you would like to save it as a smaller file size. I'm just going to choose Save, It's going to ask me where to save it. I'm going to put it on my desktop. And then I click on Save. And I could share that out with my students so they could see how to do the steps that I performed on the computer. So again, that is part of QuickTime Player, which is built into the Mac, well, it's included in the Mac operating system. And then another thing I want to show you is how you can screen record from your phone. If you go up to File, New Movie Recording, you can actually record a video of you talking. But you can also record using that same feature a video of your phone. If you have an Apple phone, you can plug it in. And when it is plugged in, I'm going to close out of the movie recording. And it may ask you when you first plug it in to trust your computer, whether you trust your device. You'll have to put in your PIN code, and you may have iTunes open up because all those things just happened for me and I closed out of them. So I have it plugged in. Inside of QuickTime, I can go up to File, New, and I can choose again Movie Recording. But I don't want to record myself, as I can see there. I want to record my camera. And so I can go ahead and do a new recording. And if you don't see it, if you see yourself, you can actually click on this down triangle. And this down triangle will show you that you're recording the camera. Or you come next to the record button, you click the down triangle, and you choose the name of your iPhone. Or it could also be an iPad. And then you can go in and you can open up and so then you can demonstrate what you need to do on your iPad or iPhone and record it. And then when you're done recording, you would simply stop the recording just as you did before. So I can come in here and I can record this and I can demonstrate different things. So if I want to go to a different menu, I can do that, and then I can go ahead and stop the recording. It shows up right here and it will save that recording. In the window, I can go up to File, Save, and I'm going to put this on the desktop, and I will call it iPhone Recording. And once I'm done with that, I can click Save, and there you can see there's my video recording that I just made. Record. And I can share that with my students as well. Hopefully this video has been beneficial in helping you see how you can record your screen or create screenshots and even record items from your iPhone so that you can share it with your students and your class. Have a great day.